Ew! What is this? Is that hair?
Yep, it is. And it's made with a lot of dust, hair, pet fur, mold, and a sprinkle of pollen.
Ew!
Tapi bro, mana ada kita makan habu?
But we're breathing it in.
Sama je bro.
Want to know what 240 days worth of collected dust looks like? And here's 4 weeks of air pollutants. You might think that it all comes from the outside, but the indoor air can get 10 times worse because indoor pollutants are contained. Hi. And they allow themselves to build up over time. But there is a way you can remove them with Panasonic air conditioners.
Air conditioners are for cooling lah. You think what? Can clean the air, is it?
But this air conditioner comes with a built-in air purifying system called Nano-E technology.
Nano-E is nano-sized electrostatic atomized water particles that are rich in OH radicals and generated at a rate of 480 billion per second.
What he's trying to say is that the Panasonic air conditioner releases a lot of small particles that goes deep into surfaces to attack bacteria and control the spread of other allergens. Effectively removing not 50%, but 99% of all air pollutants.
I don't feel so good.
So, there you have it. All you need is the Panasonic air conditioner with Nano-E technology.
Panasonic.